got that adrenaline momentum, not knowing when I'm never gonna slow up and I'm ready to...
This is the story of how VEZO changed my life. 5:02 a.m. I wake up to get ready for work. Tailored shirt, timeless, classic. Coffee. A gift from my lover. VEZO 360 Smart Dashcam. Beautiful design, intelligent features, a refined innovation for car security. 6:13 a.m. I head out to install my VEZO 360. The specially designed mount supports all types of cars, and the strong magnetic attachment makes it effortless to install. My new life with VEZO begins now. Oh no. It was clearly this idiot's fault, and I can prove it. VEZO's 360 camera system captures all around my car without any blind spots. Using the dedicated app, I can wirelessly transfer videos to my phone, and the 4K HD video shows everything in crystal clear detail. It's an open and shut case. 1:26 p.m. I believe in working hard in order to... Someone just hit my parked car, and she just drove away. A classic hit and run. But VEZO automatically detects accidents even when my car is off, and the low-power sensors do not drain the car's battery. With its 4G capability, I'm notified immediately by receiving a video clip to my phone. I've got all the proof I need for an insurance claim. 6:21 p.m. It's been a long day and I feel quite sleepy. Thankfully, VEZO's sleep detection feature uses facial recognition to alert a drowsy driver. That was close. VEZO, you saved my life. 11:16 p.m. I'm finally back home. As a crime deterrent, VEZO's bright LED light remains on at all times. This lets others know that VEZO is watching. Looks like I'm in safe hands. 9:46 a.m. I go on a road trip with my best friends. Why don't I capture this spontaneous moment? With just a single press of a button, I can take a selfie in the car as well as the outside landscape, all in one seamless 360 image or video. With the dedicated internal battery, I can even take VEZO outside to use it just like a regular 360 camera. An unforgettable memory captured in a gorgeous 360-degree image. And I can quickly share my photos and videos to social media directly from the VEZO app. My life is now fully protected, all thanks to my VEZO 360 Smart Dashcam. Thank you, VEZO.
We want to bring the latest tech to the dashcam market by developing high-quality imaging with 360-degree field of view. We have been working on VEZO for the past 2 years. With our agile and precise engineering, VEZO delivers an elegant user experience. And now we need your help to make VEZO available to everyone. We invite you to join our project and back us on Kickstarter. Thank you.
Introducing Mutrics, style and surround sound combined in revolutionary sunglasses that can listen to music, make calls, and even report real-time motion data. Mutrics allows the soundtrack of your life to play through your most fashionable accessory, all while freeing you up to interact with the world around you. With our near-field surround sound system and virtual bass enhancement algorithm, you get the fully immersive experience. The built-in mini speakers are designed to project audio directly into your ears. Only you will be able to hear, without disturbing others nearby. Mutrics features Qualcomm Bluetooth 5.0, which allows you to enjoy music, make calls, and even be aware of your real-time motion data with a click of a button on the frame. Boosted by 6-hour playtime and IP55 sweat resistance, Mutrics is the ideal eyewear companion for an active chic lifestyle. Offering polarized lenses with complete UV 400 protection and interchangeable lenses, Mutrics fits in your daily activities. Back Mutrics today on Kickstarter to make your daily routine a sonic adventure.
The first augmented reality clothing brand is here. Games, music, and art within every design. Transform your outfit into a different experience. We're aiming to the stars with clothing that is comfortable, catchy as fuck, and at the same time has a game or playlist of your favorite artist. Cool, right? Booming a party with nothing more than your hoodie or hat. Drinking games, party games, kinky games. We have 5 collections, 14 designs, and 4 wearables so far. We have many more in mind. Music artists and influencers are welcome to promote their work through AR experiences. With our fashion and graphic designers, we will create a collection for them. Clothing that will link fans and followers to their music stores and social platforms. Their work will be exposed in a catchy way, getting more music reproductions and social follows. On top of that, they will receive royalties for every sale of their collections. But we know that clothing companies can also benefit from this artistic movement. So we've decided to give the clothing production to well-established companies that have been doing this for decades. They will benefit with our sharing economic business model, in which Damzel's VIP team marketize and create the collections, so our partners can focus on their specialty, producing and delivering. Every license will be sold exclusively to one producer in every state, meaning no competition between our partners. Each producer will have a code. The platform will automatically assign the production depending on the shipping address of the retailers and individuals, to keep shipping fast and on the floor. The hard work is done. A demo version of the app is already available in the mobile stores, and our e-commerce platform is in the making. We are fundraising to finish the app and website to speed up with the movement. Push the limits of your outfit. Join the VIP family today. Damzel Interactive Wear.
WAYV is a wireless, smart and wearable indicator system for cyclists. The WAYV body harness features over 200 super bright LED lights on the front and the rear of the harness to clearly signal turns and maneuvers to other road users, making cyclists much more visible. The WAYV harness can be used with or without a backpack. Materials make the WAYV harness waterproof, rechargeable, and easy to fit into a laptop bag. It is designed with great attention to every detail: buckles, edges, comfort, and ergonomics. WAYV goes with you and nothing has to be left on the bike. The WAYV helmet indicator attaches to almost every type of vented cycling helmet. It is lightweight, waterproof, and with over 50 super bright LEDs, gives you maximum visibility. WAYV helmet gear is easy to unclip, and it works in tandem with harness. Both the WAYV helmet gear and harness can be used independently of each other. WAYV lever has an inbuilt LED to help keep track of the indicator direction. It also comes with an app to configure and adjust settings via any smartphone. At night, a hand signal is not easy to see, and cyclists are only able to perform the signal briefly to avoid losing control of the bike. WAYV puts you in control of your bike. WAYV is designed after extensive research and development of various bicycle types, riding positions, handlebar positions, and in consultation with motorists, pedestrians, cyclists, and transportation experts. The front LED indicators makes you bright and visible and show oncoming road users and pedestrians your turn direction. Rear indicators on left and right are strategically placed to engage road users behind you, and iconic X sign makes you easily noticeable to all road users. The WAYV cycle system was designed and developed by Dotton and Amit, enthusiastic cyclists. Together they have more than 20 years of shared experience. They have invested their own money to get the product to prototype stage. With your backing, they are looking to take this to the production stage and achieve their ultimate goal: to make cycling much safer.
Since the dawn of time, The sun has been our quintessential timekeeper. From dusk to dawn, through day and night, from summer to winter. Inspired by nature's time, the one 24-hour hand passes the moment of sunrise in real time as marked in the LCD display. Following the sun, the arrow hand sweeps the classic 24-hour dial once. "12 o'clock noon is on top, midnight is on the bottom. At a glance, you can see the ratio of day and night and your place in it. The unique Solunar LCD display also shows time for sunset, as well as evening and morning twilight. The one dark segment indicates solar high noon, also called zenith. One bright segment indicates true midnight. The digital time will give you extensive time information for exactly where you are. As night sets in, everything changes, a different time altogether. After dark, the tritium tubes starts to glow steadily. A push of the button will activate the backlight, offering a crisp read of the entire watch face. The thin outer ring in the LCD gives you time for moonrise and moonset, as well as lunar high noon or lunar midnight. The yellow circle shows exact lunar phase. Planning nocturnal activities just got a whole lot easier. Whatever you embark upon, the WorldWatch will keep real time. Ancient timekeeping wisdom and modern technology blended into one.